are you naman, Kuya, nung na-receive mo yung letter?
How do you feel? Excited? For the, bus. The dogs.
Yes, that's better. Yes.
Yes.
You have a good relationship now.
Absolutely.
Whatever you want.
Yes. One step at a time.
Give you your time to read that letter. Or unless you want to share.
Well, I mean, because we're not wrong to say
Yay! Share.
For slumber party. So we have more goodies. Fruits. I think I'm gonna be eating a lot of fruits.
I know, man.
Yeah. Yes, sulat na po. Ayan na po. Ayan na! Freaking joke. Freaking joke. Oh my God. Mga chismosa. Oh, mga chismosa. Dito na guys. Oh, mga chismosa. Oh my God. Pinapagalita kami sa lobby because we're too loud. Excited din si Kuya. Mamaya na po. Oh my God. Kunti lang fish. Yung totoo po, letter nyo ba yan? I like that joke. Ayun na yung letter, guys. That's the letter. That's the letter, guys. It's a yes. It's a boy. We have a lot of fruits. Yes.
How did you know he loves chips? He does. He really does.
Hello po, Ate Tess.
Can I pay now?
Sa Sacramento po.
Sino ba?
Isend yun na lang.
Ano lang?
Opo. Hindi ko din alam eh. I-text ko kayo mamaya.
Sige.
Yes. Thank you, Ate Tess.
Meron yung ano eh. Kasi ayaw niya pa bumili ng ticket.
Mm.
Pero kasi,
Sama mo sa first na. Sa first na kayo. Para maitabi-tabi ko kayo lahat. Mas madali yun. Kasi ako ang may ano.
gusto niya kasi doon na lang daw bibili.
Sa first na.
Or sa basta sa venue ng fast food. If ever lang.
Sige po. Okay. Thank you.
Look at all the chips you got. Because they know you love it.
Uncle Joe. Does it look like Uncle? You look so young. I'm KKK fan. That's Eli. Eli, I always message her and Ate Tess. So, talagang fanay talaga sila, guys. Fanay. And Attorney Lisa is over here. The whitey.
Curious.
you guys are in the same room, so you. I'm sure that's you know. You think so? You think so? Okay, let's take a picture. Picture daw, picture. I know. I'm gonna get, okay?
Yeah.
There's like bunch over there. It's gonna be my breakfast. Guys, a lot of fruits. I've been craving fruits. All the gas stations that we went to, they didn't have.
I love Papa. I'm gonna introduce you to Papa. Oh, he's going to Sacramento.
Is he?
Yeah. I'm gonna tell Papa to go for you.
Don't forget
The red dress.
That's the letter, guys.
and the lady is red.
Another girl like that.
Yes.
Show.
Another color.
For his dad to meet at the show.
Oh, who? Atites?
I don't. Is that her? No, the middle one.
I have no idea. I just know this is just trying to hook it up. Yeah, that's LA. LA.
LA.
Yeah, LA. And then Atites.
Yes. Yeah. What's her name? For Papa.
Tito. Mama. Sugar mama. Sugar mama.
Asukal the mama.
Asukal de mama. That's the real sugar mama. Oh my god, asukal de mama. Mama.
I said, Papa, this is Mama.
Single yun. Tigas yun. Matigas pa yan si Tito. May hinuhukap na kay Tito. Kay Tito Loreto. Si Mama daw. Mama. Tito, if you're watching, ayan na daw ang bago mong girlfriend. Nahiya tuloy.
Just sell the letter on eBay.
I know, right? I think people will buy that for sure. Cheers. Hindi, ito yung nagbigay ng letter. So, yung hawak ni Chris the letter. Just gonna open it. Hmm?
How many people are there? Oh, wow.
I do games every time. So I give like money. So I'm like one of my games she sponsored. So she sponsored like $100, right? So we had like 10 winners. I do like 500. Like yeah. So they can follow her, me, and then like my other artists. I do that, so that's right. So these people are like pretty much everywhere. Your phone now?
I have your phone.
You know what? We need forks for sure. For the frutas. Oh my god, naka-zoom. What the heck? We got it. Thank you, sis. Gusto ko yung pandesal ube mo eh. freezer. Siya yung bibili ng MMG. Si Sis Eli. Magsusupport siya. Dito. Siya yung producer ko sa MMG. Yes. Thank you, Sis Eli. Ate Tisama ko, support mo kami. Dito, San Francisco. The best. That's Sis Eli.
Okay, so that's how you
Siya si Sis Eli, and then si Ate Tess.
the letter.
Sis, anong group nyo?
When did you
Anong group nyo?
Solid. Hello po, from Team KK Worldwide Solid and K-Trans Global po. Hi, Ayan! Nakita ko
Yeah,
sa...
we were in a group. Yeah, we just arrived last night.
Living story.
Oh, wow! Hi, guys!
Too bad nalobat siya, guys. Dito kami sa lobby ngayon ng hotel. You're welcome po, as I promise. Hi, Tess. Miss you. Miss na kita. Sabi po ni Miss Grace Pabatang. Miss Grace Pabatang, miss you daw. Ay, hindi. Nanita pala. Okay. Good news sana ang letter, Miss B. Sabi naman po ni Chris, good news or what, he's not expecting anything. So, no matter what, the letter will say he's happy. Please pa-shout out Catherine's Global OFW 4K Team Paiyak. Hello po. Hello everyone. Mr. Joe is live right now.
What if they steamed the letter earlier, read it,
I know,
and then
right?
glued it back?
That's why it looks like
That was
that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
Why? Is it like,
Yeah.
is it, that's the letter, guys.
You guys use the X-ray.
Can I buy it for $1,000?
Use the X-ray filter.
Let's buy it for 1,000.
Use the X-ray filter.
Chris, like, how much? How much? How much are you guys willing to pay for the letter? Oh, 20K. Fuck, $1 million. That's 1 million pesos. I know, guys. 1 million. Are you guys down? That's the letter. I don't know what that letter is, but that's the letter. Si Papa Bear. Ano, asukal ni Papa. Sugar daddy. Kala ko nga sugar daddy yun. Hindi ko rose. Kala. Love Coco Productions and KKK Global Family. Hello po. Do you guys know Uncle Joe? Where's Uncle Joe? Where's Joe? Does he look like Uncle? He's too young to be Uncle. Just call him Papi.
Katie,
Papi Joe.
like Katie calls him Uncle Joe.
Soon to be what?
Lolo.
Lolo. No, hell no, dude.
Too young.
You don't want that. An attorney. Guys, watch out. Let's watch out or else. Sana magpa-stars naman kayo, di ba guys? Masakit na ulo ko. Kung sino magpapa-stars, malalaman nyo agad kung ano yung nasa letter.
Tears. He's always happy. Tears of joy. He's always happy. Yeah.
Ang saya mo po, Miss Cory. Thank you, Miss Iya. Tawag nyo kasi sa kanya, Uncle eh. Di, ibahin natin ang name ni Joe. Papi Joe.
Are you renaming him?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, she's renaming him.
Papi! He doesn't look like Uncle. Let's do Papi! Little Eddie's over there. freaking cracks me out.
With double.
Yeah, with Doble. He has like 3 names. I don't even remember what was the other one. Yeah,
Eric.
Ulysses and Eric.
Doble.
And Doble. Ooh.
Double.
Naka-open. Ay, sige po. Si Ate Tess, oh. Manonood.
Yes, of course.
Ako na po. Para may angle ako.
Ay, ako rin. Naku, ang paitim ko na naman, sandali. Yan na naman ako eh.
1, 2.
Thank you.
Thank you. You want a picture with Lisa?
Yeah.
Attorney.
Picture together.
Where are you?
Like, where are you? Please bring Miss B at Katie. Yes po, we're working on that. So, like I said, we're manifesting it. Yes po. So pretty, attorney. Of course. She is very pretty. Na-receive. Yes po, eto na yung letter.
I'm telling you because he's not.
That's the letter, guys.
I'm gonna tell my house.
Yan na po ang letter.
Work for you. No, really, what's your name? Myla? That's a pretty name.
But we're not joking. Yari ka kay Tito, maniwala ka. Tong it's na. I know, right? Pinagsabi yung tong it's na. Siguro nakikita tayo nagla-live. Oo nga. Ewan ko ba kung may dala ba to. Pero sakit na ng ulo ko, guys. I need to rest. Thank you. Are you do? Nagpapa-stars. Thank you for the stars. I let you guys know what the letter. Just send me 1,000 stars. I'm just fucking with you guys. I'm just kidding.
I'll know first though.
Poppy. Hi, Poppy Joe. Look at his muscles. Let's go. This is Joe, guys. That's the man.
Hear the answers first.
I know. They will know before us for sure. So
DM us and we'll sell it.
I told him $1,000. We're ready to open it. We're making money out of it. What scammers. At least we're honest.
I'm so
Fruit of
excited to try
love.
these.
I know, that's so good.
Do they
I
like
like
these?
that.
Do you guys like these? Any thoughts? Have you guys tried it?
Comment below. We're trying to be.
Yeah.
The trader go back.
I'll show you guys our goodies. Thank you for the goodies, Ate Lani. Thank you. Living Story, and of course, mga Sisi. Thank you for the goodies. This is Sprite, guys. Sprite. Excited na po ang lahat. Oh my God! 99 stars! Thank you! I'll message you. I'll message you the answer. Thank you guys. Mr. Joe, Joanne. I'm so happy that you guys know Joe and Miss Lisa. Shout out, Kakoko. Hi mga Kakoko. Miss ko kayo. Pops Joe is better. I told you.
Consensus say.
Pops Joe is better.
But tell them Katie's not gonna go for that.
Yeah,
guy.
Katie's not gonna call.
Katie named
Katie
Joe.
will never call him Papi.
No, she won't. She looks for her Uncle Joe.
So I guess only if us
That's
talking.
funny.
Pops is better.
See what you did?
That's so funny. Watching from Hong Kong. Read the letter. They said, I want to buy the letter for 1,000. Ooh!
Very well. You cannot see. Good job, Mrs. B.
Mrs. B? What?
It's wishful thinking.
Okay, wishful thinking. Mrs. B, oh my god, did you guys get married? Charot. Charot lang, guys.
Yeah, we got to put it out there, right? Manifest. Manifest. Let's manifest it. Yes.
Thank God it's my off from 2 nights, 12 hours duty.
Wow.
Excited na si
December.
Chris Lawrence, guys. It's very
He
excited.
goes, you guys are making me blush.
Ang ganda mo po, Attorney Lisa. They said you're pretty. Diba? Attorney ang look.
She's renaming Joe. I said, Katie's not going to
Pops. Poppy.
Poppy.
Poppy Joe. Poppy Joe. And they're like, it's like, ikasal nyo na po sila, attorney. Hindi po siya pare. Attorney po siya. Nakakatuwa si attorney. They said that you're funny. Hello, Papi Joe. Pasikatin si Pops. Joke. Hello, Papi Joe.
I got renamed.
Oh my god, you guys are funny, guys.
How many people are coming to the show? Ask them. Say who's coming.
Yeah, how many people are
Tell
coming
them
to the
to
show
come say
tomorrow?
hi.
Not
Oh,
tomorrow.
Saturday. Sorry.
Tomorrow, nobody. Saturday. We have a show on Saturday, guys. Mrs. B. Thank you. The heck, you guys are so
We
quick,
got to put it
man.
out there, guys, into the universe.
We can say anything here. They like capture
They
it.
love them. We all
Yeah.
love them.
If you love them, send some stars. Show some love. The letter. I'm watching. Oh my KKK family.
You did a great job. You did a great job transporting.
Who flew it? Who flew it? You can't flew it. Did it come through Philippine Airlines?
It's still Miss, guys.
I know it's
It's
still
still
miss,
miss.
guys. We're just kidding.
We have to respect.
We just got too excited,
Yes.
and there's nothing wrong with that. It's just a wishful thinking.
Nothing but positivity.
Yes. Nag-explain si ate. Charot. Hi, Papi Joe.
Oh boy.
Hi, Papi Joe. Oh my god. I didn't say anything, guys. Okay, that didn't come from me. Watching from Kalinga. From now on, you're Papi Joe.
Oh boy.
Oh my god. Holy shit. Watching from Taiwan, Madam. Trader Joe's. Trader's Joe. Oh my god, it's 11:38 p.m. here. You're welcome, Miss Joanne. Long time no see. They're asking if you've been to the Philippines.
I have.
Yes,
Last
she
year.
has.
Last January.
They were just there last January with Chris. They travel everywhere, so they're always out and about.
We went to Manila. Coron, Cebu.
They messaged me for Italy. I mean, I can produce it. Most of the shows anyway, I self-brought. So I want to go there for vacation. Might as well do a show.
Might as well.
That's what I do.
Let's go. Bring your sister.
I'll bring my family.
Yeah.
Give him time to read.
We'll do another city
Yes,
tour
po.
over there.
That's what I know. Yeah, we can just travel for one and then we pay like.
Somewhere, another place in Europe. Where's that?
I told you I'm already talking to one, right? But they wanted to do JR first, and then but who knows? Because right now is popping. Hi, shout out from KKK United Kingdom. Yes, po. Hopefully everyone will be happy to reveal what's inside the letter. Yes, po, for sure. Konnichiwa, Japan. Hello. I want to go to Japan. I have not been to Japan. Have you guys been in Japan?
Japan had an earthquake.
Big one.
May earthquake daw po dyan. Did you guys feel it? Stay safe, guys. That's so scary, dude. We get that a lot here. It's just prayers for you guys. Wow, hawak na ni Mr. B ang reply ni Miss B. Good luck. Hopefully, yes. Yes or no, he's gonna be super excited to open that. He's gonna be happy no matter what, but I think it is a yes.
41st?
You saw that, huh? I was like,
Not 41st. Nick Cannon. No.
Kuwait. Hello, watching from Olonga po. Ayan na po yung letter. That's the letter. Kakoko, shout out. KK fans, solid supporter. Shout out sa mga KKK fans. Hello po. Thank you for all your support. Grabe kayo, guys. I think it's a yes. Permission to make ligaw lang naman. Official manliligaw na. Yes. Iniis ka na. Yes po. Positive po yung letter. Yes, for sure. Alright guys, I'm so tired na. I think we're gonna have headache. Just wanna go live, show you guys the letter.
How long you drove home?
Yeah, they know. I've been awake since 8 in the morning. God is good, Lord. Yes po. Amen. Amen to that. All the blessings that we receive.
Di nga napati nga ako kanina. Nalubat yung cellphone ko dahil ganyo na ako mag-live.
Tapos na Yes. 1.7 right now. Without you guys watching.
Look, 1,000.
hi guys.
They're watching? We're live? Really?
Hi guys, shout out to Miss Arlene.
Shout out sa family ko.
Kuya, shout out mo daw si Miss Arlene.
Asan?
Arlene Tips. Ate Arlene.
Hi, Ate Arlie.
Si Ate Ami.
Ate Ami. Mirna's there. What's up, Mirna from Hong Kong? What's up, guys?
Kuya, si Ate Lenny.
Oh my God. Shout out sa KKK Farm Squad. What's the group? KKK Farm
Caterans Global.
Caterans Global.
Shout out sa Team KK Worldwide.
Tamba.
Tamba.
Worldwide.
Team
Kalimar Lea.
Solid supporters.
Mara.
Mindanao, France.
Anna. And the MPI girl.
Auntie Ma'am.
Cancel. I was kidding. Oh my, nawit ako. That's so funny. Okay guys, shout out to everybody. Too many to mention.
Type ko na, basahin nyo na lang.
Grabe guys, oh my god, this is crazy. Sarap ng fruits, guys. We have so much fruits. I've been craving fruits. Kaya ayaw nyo na kami patulugin. Ay, na para bang set up lang yung concert ang panliligaw. Please pa-shout out kay Trans Global. Opo, na-shout out na po lahat yan kanina. Millions are praying for you, Mr. B. Oh, thank you po. Pray for everybody na din po.
He's there.
What? Look who's here! Oh my God, guys! Kinikilig na itong mga to. Da. Saturday. $25. She's so pretty, guys, no? Yes, guys, I will go, but not for a long time kasi I can't go live dahil we have more shows coming up, so we're gonna require not to go live as much. But yes. What? Basahin na daw. Kaya nga. Ayun pala ate, level 2. Mag level 1 ka muna. Why? Suka diba?
Dagdagan ka namin ate.
Anong burger?
Hindi na, pagpunta mo natin, bigyan ka.
In and out ba? Ano ba? Ayaw na tapos ng brush ko.
I think next month.
Or you want in and out? Which? Diba? alam na alam. Nakakatuwa naman to. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mo ay ni? Ano yung mo ay? Ano yung mo ay ni? Hindi. Sabi mo, choppy, choppy. Choppy. Oh my God. Ay, nako. Ano na, guys? Okay na kayo. Lobat na. So, yes, guys. Oo, te. Para ano. Alright guys, alis na kami. Love you everybody. We'll see you guys tomorrow again, okay? Basta magla-live ako palagi. Say bye-bye to Papi Joe. Say bye.
5 o'clock.
Bye guys, I'll see you on Saturday.
Bye.